Hi everybody, welcome to modules 11 and 12. This week we're going to start looking at marketing. So the first module on marketing is to introduce you to the idea, give you a definition about marketing for those of you that don't do this already. Your individual assignment is to answer these two questions about marketing having a bad reputation and does every organization need to use marketing? So you can use the materials from the resource page as well as any other searches that you do on your own. Just be sure to cite your sources. And then the discussion board for this week is to talk about or write about your own experience with a marketing task that created value for your customers or yourself. So use the broad definition of marketing. It includes product development, customer service, anything that creates value for customers. So again, you can look at this question in terms of your profession or a consumer. So I assume we're all consumers and we all have purchased things. So your initial post should be posted by Wednesday and then respond to 2 other posts. Whoops, we got an answer already. Don't look at this one. And then module 12 is talking about some specifics about marketing, segmentation, and marketing. So marketers are trying to figure out to whom should I be marketing and why. And positioning tells you how to appeal to that group. So you have a reading and a video to give you some information about those. And then here's a specific case study about the Mini Cooper. So select a different make, model of vehicle and write 1 to 2 paragraphs describing each of the following aspects of the chosen vehicle. So the case study gives you one example for Mini Cooper, and so your assignment, you'll choose a different make and model of vehicle and answer those same questions that you see in the example. And then the second assignment for module 12 is your discussion. So review the customer persona above. So you've got 3 different attachments. Read about the secret of the male shopper. You can read further. There's a link for you. Create your own consumer persona and post it to the discussion boards that give your classmates insights into you as a consumer. So if anybody in the class is in sales, they might know how and whether to target you. And then in your comments or your feedback, comment about how you are demographically similar but otherwise different, and how you are demographically different but also similar. So have a great week and let me know if you have any questions.